Yeah. So now on 1 hour, we can see here now in the hold. So when we got the drop, right, base again drop. So this was the resistance, and on the 5 minutes. Okay. So why I was so let me see. Why did I was looking along positions here? Can anyone tell? Just try. It was not. See, there is no good confirmation here, but yes, there was a reason behind to take the long from here. What do you think, sir? Here, right, sir.
What I think is that I would see like this low and this low actually
Mhm.
didn't come, and now basically it went up. It broke this let's say neckline like this. So then you wanted to go for a retracement and go long like that.
Now, yeah, but still, why I was looking along here? What do you think here, sir? Just I'll switch on the CPR, you will understand. Where is the Asia high?
Ah, I see.
So this drop, I was waiting during UK session. Here, Asia already gave the good drop, right, and good move. So what I was expecting, okay, let's during UK we'll try the long. If this sweep, then I'll be sitting short from the UK. But this accuracy, when the candle closed below this, this here, right? This I saw the volume. You just see here, sir, low volume, sir. I just jumped, sir. My stop loss was here. Said, let's try this. If it's come back, then I was waiting here next trade. But yes, I want to take that immediately. I took small trades more. But when it reached here, I booked some and I was holding. And few trades I booked at this place when I saw this rejection. Right, I booked and I am holding. So now this is done. Okay, now let's go to the on 1 hour. So here it was the order block and this was the strong order block. Okay, yesterday it took rejection, but it didn't break this high. So just market started coming down and we got the breakout. I'll wait for the retracement till here. If it comes fine, if not, I'll wait for the US session. I'll try short. I'll just like we have to see during US how it will react. But yeah, this will be a strong liquidity now. Here, so if this level also breaks, then directly it will be landing to 3246, which is this. But yeah, ma'am, you don't take any long, no, because it will be aggressive again. So you just look at these candles. To like see now we should wait here. At least we can try 30-40 pips stop loss. But the overall the market is now. Let me see on the 15 bits. No, ma'am. See, we got the ultra high volume candles here. I can, but this is there is no resistance and sorry, there is no support here proper because based on 1 hour we have order block, no doubt at this place. But we don't have any confirmation. We should wait for at least to grab this liquidity. The reason when the market see from this place, I'll just show. So when market started moving from this place, it made 1, 2, 3. Before this, before this pump, market should sweep this liquidity. So without taking this liquidity, market went up. Now this liquidity until it won't grab, I'll not look any long position. See, if I want to try any long, I need at least structure shift or some pattern. For example, if the market goes above this, so when it comes for the retracement, I'll be trying from this place. Correct? On the 5 minutes, the target will be
Okay.
very small again. The target will be only this much, ma'am. That's it. Because I'll be trying like on 1 hour from this area. From here, I'll try this. I'll book some
But wouldn't
profit.
you try it as a scalp?
If I take the short position from here, that trade will be not scalping,
Okay.
ma'am. The target will be this. For a long, I'll try scalping. Only here, because until you don't grab this, I'll be trying only short positions. Wherever I get chance, I'll be taking the trades. But very nice. Where did you
Okay.
take the short, ma'am? From the top, right here.
Yes, right at the top.
Very nice. I missed that. I
Yeah,
missed
I
that.
was waiting and then I saw it was there and I just jumped.
That was a good trade, ma'am.
But that's what I usually do when I take a good short like this and then when it goes all the way down, like
Mhm.
now, I would jump in the long, which I did already and I actually burned. But
No, yeah. In
that's what I did last night. Before bed, I jump also in Solana and Fartcoin. I
Mhm.
did longs and then I tried to do the shorts, but I see they didn't go well as well. So that's what I don't know. If even if they're in the zone, sometimes I try to do the scalping, reversing, and all that, but it's
Right.
just work
Yes.
in one direction, and then the next direction, the scalps doesn't really work. Not always.
Yeah, it won't work always. So you should follow the structure, ma'am. Seriously. See, now here, see why I took the aggressive trade, because yesterday market was sideways, and today we have inside narrow CPR. At least I can, I'll see. At least I can take the profit till here, right? Only for that reason, aggressive I entered. If not, I don't take that. But on based on the 1 hour, correct? If you see any pattern like this, so market is rejecting from here, and here the market is making drop base drop. So in this situation, we'll get trapped. So on the 5 minutes, what you said, right? See, immediately we cannot take the long. So you just see when. So for example, when we see this red candle, right? Obviously, we'll get some good volume in those candles. But we don't know till where the market will go. Like, see, after that, even the green candle, we got the volume. We should not get these kind of volumes. So they wantedly, they'll welcome us to take the long. When we take the long, the market will start moving down. So we should wait for the retracement properly. If I want to take the long, especially on gold, ma'am, it works very nice. The market structure, liquidity, it works amazing because they designed this for the gold. So now if I want to take any long positions, I'll wait to grab this liquidity, or else we should wait for some patterns here. Not just only because of the candle we cannot take the trades. No. So
Maybe
yesterday,
we should also
yeah, yeah, please
switch
go ahead.
and trade gold.
Which one, ma'am?
Oh no, I'm saying maybe we should all switch and only trade gold.
We can try it in the this crypto also. We should wait for that one. See, if the market's coming to the zone, until we don't get the confirmation, should not take the trade. It works. It works, no doubt. Every smart money and volume, it works in all market. But we should wait for that momentum. See, now after this, when it started moving next day, usually it will be the sideways. But I'll try to find the sell from the top. Everyone will learn that, but immediately don't try. So you will come to know slowly when you start trading yourself, you will come to know how to take the trade. See, based on now, if you see gold, it's super bullish, but still on the 5 minutes we are taking the sell side. We understand this, okay? See, now there is no guarantee. Even this gold today by the end of the evening, it can break this all level. That much power it has. Anything is possible in the gold. So what all we see structure, the market is super bullish on daily 4 hours, every. Only we are taking the trade for the retracement. That's it. So now once again, so now where is the breakout? So now you guys will understand. I'll just show where is the breakout, ma'am. I don't know whether you can draw or no, but I'll show. Okay.
Oh.
Okay, we have the breakout here, right? So when we get any breakout, the retest, usually we see the retest. Retest, then break this level. But in this area, market tried once a retrace, correct? So market went up. Now what is this? What area is this now? This one.
Neckline.
That's liquidity now.
Correct. So now, ma'am, this is the liquidity. Okay. On the higher time frame. Okay, on the 4 hours. Now let's go to the 1. So same place. When the market retraced here from this area, now that will become a liquidity piece. That is the same area. Where is the breakout? Once again here. Now we'll come back to the 4 hours. Just think about the 4 hours. We marked one area on the 4 hours, which is breakout. And even the on 1 hour also, we have the breakout here and here. This already mitigated. The market started going and I took the long. Any of them took the long here. So now this will be the liquidity at this place. So now go back to the 4 hours. Now just see where is the breakout? This one. So we'll wait to grab this liquidity. Then from here, I'll try for long position. If any candle close below this, then done. It will be continuation. Candle should not close below this with the low volume. If it close with the low volume, market can drop still. So we have the liquidities here also. Yeah, that's good.
Pramod, when you say the candle shouldn't close there, you're talking about a 1 hour candle.
4 hours, sir. That is 4 hours, I think so.
Okay.
4 hours. See, I'll just go to the 4 hours. This is based on the 4 hours, okay? On 1 hour, if there is any low volume, like yesterday I told you, right, sir? If any candle close below this, the market will go this to this liquidity. Now wait for the UA session. Even tomorrow, if it is still active, then yes, anytime. Because now, like me, most of them they entered here and they're holding. The market will come, they'll kick us, then they'll move.
Pramod, what was the tool that you were using now, the volume on the vertical ones
Yes,
with the
sir.
line?
Yes.
Which one was it?
No, I don't show, sir. No.
You don't show.
Here,
Okay.
here, sir. Here you will get. Here you will get, sir. This one.
Fixed range volume profile.
Yeah.
Ah.
That you will.
And that gives
Huh?
you some confirmation, huh?
Yes. On this wave, okay, from
Uh-huh.
top to the this bottom, for example. So the volume
Ah, so
wave.
you mark the wave that you want.
Yes. Here is the ultra high volume, sir. Here people took the short positions, too many here. And yes, that was the area.
Okay.
Yeah, this we
Very
have to
nice.
use. Yeah, this we have to use the before the taking the trade. For example,
So
from this low to this high. All right. Now you just see where the trader get entered at these places.
so that's
Right?
more likely that it can go long from that area again.
Once again, yes, the market should create one low, sir, wave.
Yeah.
So you see, I'll just check the volume on the higher time frame, like daily. Now the volume is here, sir. For example, okay.
It's right in the middle.
Yes, the volume is here.
So
Now,
basically, if it breaks this volume, we can look for a short.
yeah, that is also. But why this volume is important? Now, this one. So now I just took this low to this high, right? Now, whenever I take this sell on the according to the daily time frame, okay. Now I'll just explain. So now when I took this low to high, okay, I got the volume here at this place. People took too many long positions, okay.
Mhm.
Now when I enter with any confirmation based on the daily time frame, because this is daily time frame volume, right? So I can hold till this area.
Nice. Okay.
Yeah. So that's the same. So when I take the reverse, if I take the trade, then I'll come to know where should I close. It will show
Very
the
nice.
big range volumes.
Okay, thank you very much. I didn't know
Uh,
that TradingView has this.
No, they have two types volume here. They have two types. Directly they'll show you. But I don't like this. I want to manually. Yeah, one is automatic anchor, one is manually. Manually, I'll choose the wave.
Yes, okay.
It, they made too many videos. They made very good videos on volume. You just see them, sir, because everyone they have their own strategy about the volume.
Method.
Yeah, but usually I don't use that. But you can use it. This is not an indicator, right? This
Yes.
at least you will get an idea till where you can hold the trades. So you try that on videos. If you find any good video, just post it on the Discord, sir. Like everyone, let's
Okay.
watch. Yeah, I'll also find if I see any good video, then I'll post it.
Very nice. Thank you.
No, no, no problem. And we have even this also, sir. VWAP, you know VWAP, right?
In TradingView.
Yeah. Manually, we can use that. I'll just show you where we have that.
Ah, I see.
Here.
Anchored. Yeah.
So I'll just go to the 5 minutes, right? Yeah, we have here. So now I'll take one high and low. All right, this low and high. For example, this. So I'll take it this high and this low. So if I keep this, it will show you the resistance and support for intraday. You have to keep current day high or low. It will show you
Okay.
accurate. If you use the even indicator also, it will show the correct. But what people they do mistake after closing above this, they'll go for long, below this, they'll go for short. But they are missing the order blocks. But yeah, it works for scalping
Mhm.
and all. They don't even care about that. They'll just try based on this.
Hmm.
But volume is the perfect, sir. You should try the volume.
Yeah, I like the volume indicator stuff like.
You try the long chord, sir, okay, until above this area. So it can grab this liquidity. And this and above this. If candle close below this, just ignore. Above this, wherever you find the entry, just try, sir. So I explained today during this UA session because whenever, like, when I see these kind of any patterns, so I can show in the real market how it was. This I usually will be seeing on the gold. and I took stop losses here based on the same. But yeah, today I'll explain this during your session, sir. You will be seeing this, and when you understand this, you will not miss this kind of trade setup, sir, during Asia.
So you're gonna do this on your session.
Yes, sir. This pattern. When I saw this, I said yes. This I should explain. I forgot everything. When we see in the market, then only I'll be realizing, yeah, this how we get trapped here. Not trapped. See, not trapped. The see now how the beginner traders will see this and how you can see this. It's a lot of difference. And yes, I was taking the trades here, sir, earlier. I was going for a short, but you will come to know the market will go long based on the patterns. It's pattern. So I will explain this today. So just remind me this, okay, about the goat.
Yes.
So I say that we should take this screenshot. We'll never forget this pattern, and you will be seeing this pattern all the time. So during Asia, you will come to know the market when it opens, it will start moving in the direction. Before that direction, they'll make them everyone to sit on the opposite direction. Then they'll go actual move. Yeah. Where is your answer? I think okay, he is.
I'm
Sir,
here, mate.
did you take any gold trade, sir?
No, I took Griffin last night, but they kicked me, mate.
Okay.
It's the same chart as goat.
Okay.
Yeah, my injury was right there,
Mm-hmm.
and when I went to sleep, it was here. So I put it just on break even, and I woke up this morning, gone.
So when did you see that? When the market was here or here?
Here, mate.
Okay. Sir, this is exactly code, sir. The pattern I said, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, this is the
Yeah.
same. I'll see. Even sir, all the things even I don't remember, right? When I'll explain. So when I realize, yes, this was that. One day you will be you just take the screenshot, okay, sir. After today's session, you take the screenshot. You note it, write it on that paper. Because when you see this pattern, you will come to know, okay, tomorrow, the things, what is going to happen, you will come to know earlier.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, I
Yeah,
thought it
I
was a
see this.
mate. It was beautiful divergence. Everything was perfect. But then
Sometimes you will see the divergence MACD, don't miss that also, sir, okay?
yeah. Yeah, you see, that's one, yeah. From
Yeah,
there
yeah, right?
and there.
Yeah, you can see the both three there,
I got
yes.
in there perfect, mate. I was like, bang, I've got you. And then they said while I was sleeping, no, we've got you, mate.
Market makers are smart.
Yeah, so we should be more smarter than us. Then see now aggressive trade I entered, right? If I wait for the retracement, I was missing this trade, sir. I just entered, sir. What to do then? As I said, no, today we have the super narrow breakout with the low volume. I just entered stop loss. And nothing, sir. After 30 minutes, I saw the market was going. I said, wow, wait, just wait. When I saw the position, I booked some profit and I thought, okay, let's come now back to this area. Once again, we'll add this. It didn't come, but yeah, I was holding some. Now the market become sideways. Let's wait for this area. I'll try from here, sir. Because again, why we wait to come here and why the market should come there? The people will enter in these areas. So market can come till here, maybe breakout, then down. If it happens, then the market will. But yes, we'll see how it works in this area. Yeah, gold traders, sir, did you take any trade?
Hey Pramod, yeah, I tried to long this morning once and I got stopped.
Why where long? Which place?
Let me check just a moment. Just check the price. Yeah, I tried to enter that 3327.
3?
3327 this morning. Yeah, because mostly because of the S1 CPR plus the liquidity I saw.
No, sir.
Right.
In this aggressive sell, what I told you, this area, sir, this area when, see, the first we have the narrow CPR and this area, why did you forgot? Like you just see that the drop base drop. And on Monday I will also explain if this level breaks, then yes, this it maybe work. But this is the indication the market is not closing above this area, sir.
Yeah, I
And
didn't
no,
see that this morning.
and no need like to wait the breakout, sir. We can be in this trade from on the top. And I missed this actually, sir. First I saw this market was coming down at this place. Said it's okay, during UK we'll find this trade. But later when I saw the markets already moved up and came down, sir. I said, oh shit, I was not knowing this market already reversed from here. But yeah, I thought I saw the pattern lines. I said, yes, already Asia move has completed. Let's try from here, UK. Then UK will catch this trade. When I saw this, done, I jumped in trade.
And just a question, if instead of the candle breaking down in this area,
Mhm.
if let's say if there was like a green candle instead of this one going up, would you have tried along since you were waiting for the London session to
No,
go up?
sir. I think
No?
you didn't see this, right? I mentioned here. Wait for candlestick pattern in this area for long.
Okay.
I was waiting
Oh
for the
yeah,
long
yeah,
actually.
yeah.
But when I saw that huge the candle red side downside, I just took that. That's it, sir. Because of this narrow and yes, yesterday it was sideways. I said at least the word condition I can get till TP here.
Yeah, and also
Aggressively.
you said this one was low volume, right?
Yes, that
That's
was
why
the low volume.
you
That's why
yeah,
I
yeah.
entered. Yes, if there is
Yeah, yeah,
ultra high
okay.
volume, I was not taking. You just look
Okay, I
at this.
understand. Yeah, yeah, yeah,
You
yeah.
look at this
That's a
volume,
good
sir.
tip. Yeah.
Correct. So that is the reason I entered, sir. And this was the zone here. So this was the order block. And you can see this when the market will reach order block, it will take some time to break.
Mm.
And I was waiting for any good candle. I didn't find. When I saw this, oh, the volume was low. I said, yes, I should jump here. Like,
But I still have a question about the volume on this candle because when the market is here, so you see this green volume candle, but if you compare to the volume of the red candle before, it's still
and that
higher
is,
than
yeah, that
before.
is, yes, that is higher. But ultra high volume candle, especially on the gold, you can see this, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, that will be, I'll take much like serious. Not these kind of volumes, sir. No,
Okay.
these are the not volumes, especially gold.
Yeah, yeah, okay.
So now I'm not talking the crypto. So these volumes, you can see the volumes. So you can go and check on the normal. These are the good volumes. So you will get ultra high volume candles, sir. Just look at the sizes.
Yeah.
Yeah, only because of that I just entered. That was FOMO trading 100%. There is no
Yeah, yeah.
logic behind to take that. I just FOMO trading. I just entered when I got breakout.
Okay, yeah, I think for the volume is really because you are very experienced with gold, so you quickly know, okay, which volume is a high and which volume
Yes.
is not that high, so you can still try considered a low volume candle, right?
Correct. Correct.
Yeah.
So if
Okay.
you see only this volume, you feel that this is a yes ultra high volume. But
Compared to before, compared to
yes,
just
I
before,
agree.
yes. Yeah.
Yes, I agree. But usually on the gold, ultra high volume candle will be in these sizes, sir.
Okay.
Yeah, especially gold.
Yeah,
Because
yeah, yeah.
you won't see all the time on gold, only Asia, UK, US, particular US session. Only on those time you will see ultra. Normal sessions you will be seeing only small volumes.
Okay.
Yes.
Pramod, sir, I have some problems with AI 16.
Okay.
Could I share my chart to
Yes,
explain?
please, ma'am. Yes, please, ma'am.
Okay, super.
Yeah.
Um,
Answer
can
the
you see that?
yeah. Check.
Can you see? Can you
Yes, we
see my
can.
chart?
Yes, yes,
Okay.
we can see.
Okay, on the one hand, on the daily chart, we talked about this head and shoulders some days ago.
Correct.
And on the other hand, we have here some kind of support zone.
Correct.
So I think both direction are possible. Maybe it holds, so the price comes up.
Yes.
Maybe it breaks, then the price could fall further down, right?
Correct, ma'am. Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
When we then look at the 4-hour chart, I had some thoughts here. I make it bigger, sorry. I took the Fibonacci tool from here to here. And then we see the price retraced exactly from the 618.
Yes, correct.
But
Yes.
So I thought it is more or less a confirmation that the price will come further down, but it but it did not. It changed again. So what direction do we actually have here on the 4-hour chart? Is it still a downtrend because no further high was broken yet? Or how would you define the situation on the 4-hour chart right now?
Down, ma'am. Because in this
Down,
area,
yeah.
you are forgetting something. Which was the last red candle in this area, ma'am?
The last red.
Yes,
This
correct. And candle didn't close
Oh,
like above.
Sorry.
So the market is inside this area, ma'am. Still, this is valid what you took this at. I mean, short.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, and when we then move further down to the 1-hour chart, we saw there the chalk on Sunday, what was important for the price to come up and touch this 618 on the 4-hour, which we mentioned 1 minute ago. So this chalk is something we can actually not trust because on the 4-hour chart the
Is
price
down.
is
Yes, ma'am. Correct.
downtrend. Okay.
Correct.
The problem I had here is when we take this as the real chalk and we take the Fibonacci, then we have here a nice hammer in the golden zone, which give us also confirmation that we are on the 1-hour now in an uptrend. And this is what confused me a lot because on the 4-hour it looks like a downtrend. 1-hour is now more an uptrend, and yeah.
No, I'll show you. I'll show. Go to the 4 hours, ma'am. You, I saw in your chart. I was drawing here. Yeah, go to the 4 hours. So we have the trend line here, ma'am. Like what you marked on the daily. We have H4 and the liquidity sweep, and market came for the retest of this morning star. You just mark that chart on the 4 hours. You will come to. Now it's squeezing. Anytime it can give us the breakout, either up or down, ma'am. So this, can you zoom out this chart, ma'am?
Yes.
Little bit, yeah. So mark your level enough. So mark your trend line in this way. Take the parallel channel, yeah, from the bottom. Perfect. Yes, perfect. Don't take this. Don't include that. Correct. Now it liquidity sweep here.
Ah,
And the market is retesting exactly from there and evening star test, morning star test. Okay. This is the one, and take from above.
hmm.
Yes. The same what you marked on the daily and even on the H4 also we have the same thing. Just opposite. Anytime if this level breaks, then down.
Okay.
But based on the 4 hours, yes, you are correct. You are in the right direction.
Okay, perfect. And would you also look at the volume on the 4-hour chart when the price comes to
Trend line.
in situation like
Yes.
this?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, because I thought here we had no super high volume,
Correct.
and I did not expect the price to come up this
Back.
way. I thought
That
it could fall
uh,
further down.
yeah. This was that fundamental news. All tokens started moving upside, right, ma'am?
Ah,
That was
okay.
this. Yeah, that was the same candle here. This is that same on the Sunday for us. It was midnight, so market started running without any retracement. All most of the tokens. So you was right. Like you was right. We got the breakout with the low volume. Yes, I can see here. It was correct. But yeah, you got 2 doji and started pushing up. And now the market came to the retracement of that double doji morning star.
Okay.
Yeah. You now, if you're planning for any trade, just you wait to grab this liquidity and you can take a new trade from here, or else from this place, from current place, if the market breaks this level, just wait for the retracement. Then you can take another trade here.
Okay.
In between, you don't take any trade. Either you should take here or else wait for the breakout.
Super nice. It makes everything much clearer for me now. Thank you so much, Pramod.
No, no problem. No.
Okay,
Yeah.
I don't know where I can stop
Ah,
the
I'll,
sharing.
yeah, I'll stop it.
Okay, thank you.
No. Gold trader, sir. 1 second. Sir, you're missing the volume, sir. You marked it this, right? No, sir, this volume. Gold trader, sir.
Yes.
Yes, this volume, sir. You just look at this. Now, compared to this all, this is like very small.
Mm.
Yeah, because of this, I just entered, sir. So remember,
Uh,
when you get breakout, volume is important, sir. You should
yeah.
stick on your front of your eyes, just behind your screens. Two things, sir. Yeah, two, three charts are there. You should seriously. I did this, sir. I stick 16 images, 16, which I wrote myself.
Yeah.
I
Okay.
drawed, yeah, okay, I drawed and I made, because I should always remember that. Like on the goat, that is very interesting. The goat, what I told, right? Like today, I'm going to tell that about the goat and the griffin. That
Okay.
is, you are going to see all the time in the real market, sir. That also you should take the screenshot. You should note it on this. Okay, this is going to happen in the future for me. So you will remember that. Okay, this is got. So like on the what I was doing earlier, sir. It was funny, but I'll tell that. On the gold, okay. But nowadays market is so crazy. I'll just show, sir. Okay, you will surprise once. We don't have that pattern, but yeah, that whenever I see that pattern, I'll tell that how what I was doing. Let's go to the gold. So when we get a good momentum, right, sir, in market, what I was doing, I'll just check where the market is closing on that day. Okay. For
Okay.
example, let's assume that sorry, sir, I'll just hide these candles. So what I was doing, okay, for example, here on this day, the market will be coming and closing somewhere here. All right. Next day, as soon as market will open, okay, the market will close here, and you know the gold, it will close for 1 hour.
Yep.
So, okay, I was looking this. Okay, the market closed a lowest point of current day. I was not sleeping and I was waiting to open the market. When the market will open, I will enter. Stop loss above that candle. Next two candles, I'll get 150, 200 pips. This, I took screenshot and I was watching every day. For example, here, this. If the market is not coming near the CPR, if it close above this, my entry, my stop loss. Target will be immediately. This I was using 2021. 4 years ago, I was using this strategy, and yes, sir, I made it good profit. To be honest, I made good profit those times. I was waiting. If the candles are closing nearest high, then yes. As soon as the candle will close previous day high or previous day low, aggressive entry. And yes, it was working. Sometimes it was taking stop loss, but most of the time it was working for me.
But what do you look for to decide? Okay, now that the market reopens, you can try this strategy, because I try to understand before when you talk about strategy with a CPR, but honestly, I couldn't really find a good a strategy that is reliable enough with what you said. You know, like you say, okay, I look where the market closed that day, and then I look where the market opens the next day, and how is the CPR. I don't know if you can go maybe if you have maybe some more example on the goal to try to understand.
So from last 6 to 8 months,
Yeah.
the market is in this situation. It was
Yes.
working earlier better, much like what I was using.
Okay.
Now there is no retracement. You just look at this, sir. I'm just showing you on the 4 hours. Okay, just look at this. We are not getting retracement for 1 month.
Mm.
The market, the candles are not coming near the breakout or the any order block. Like after 1 month, the market is coming to the order block. Still, the market is moving in place. So immediately we'll see the fall because of the fundamental news. Maybe it can work after few days, sir. Currently, on the structure itself. Now I stopped all that what I told you, right? I just stopped that. I'm not taking
Okay.
those kind of trade. But yeah, earlier I was doing that.
Okay, I see.
Sometimes. Now clearly, sir, if the candles are coming here now, then I'll take the trades. If it is not coming, then I'll wait. I'll find another way. During US, if it comes here, fine. If it make any pattern on the 5 minutes from this place, for example, now if the market is, let's see, sir, you should answer this, okay? If this market is ranging at this place, where is the liquidity? Right.
I mean, in 5 minutes, I would say
Yes.
here, but in higher time frame
No.
would be the line you draw here.
Buy side liquidity, buy side. I want to take the sell. I mean short. Where is the buy side liquidity? Yes. Here, sir.
Okay.
So I'll just wait to grab this liquidity, then I'll join this trade from here.
Okay.
Yes. If the candle start moving, then where is the order block? Here. Then from order block, I'll try. But yes, I'll be looking a sell only. According to this pattern, on the 1 hour what we got breakout, I should be looking only sell. But during UA session, if the market goes up, then nothing we can do, sir. We should wait for the retracement, then I'll join the long. But this, according to this pattern, if the market is sideways, then I'll try to take the sell from here. And don't think that market whether it will go or no. If the market have that, like if it comes to know the many traders are sitting at this area, the market will go, then take the break evens, then they'll come down. So yes, gold traders, they are holding from here. My friends, they're holding. They took it a lot of trades from these areas. They are holding. And they are so like aggressive by the fashion until they don't grab this liquidity, they don't book the profit.
Mhm.
Yes.
But let's say if the price come here, then you will definitely look at the volume of the candle
5
here.
minutes. 5 minutes entry, sir.
Yeah.
The volume we will get now itself. Here we will get the volume immediately on the 1 hour. On the 5 minutes, I'll find the entry here on this area.
Okay.
Yes. Once again, when you take any trade, so once again the market will come, may come for the retracement, then they'll move down. Because here the buyers will enter.
And let's
It's-
say if the price go there first before maybe going up, would you try to look for long here in
Yes.
5 minutes?
Yes. Not see. If the market start going up from here, definitely that trade will be risky. Okay. This can happen.
Yeah.
So this from here I'll try a long according to the volume and I'll check, then only I'll try the long. If directly market comes here, then my target will be this. Like where the market is rejecting now. If these levels break, then yes, this. You'll understand, sir, definitely. It will take some time. It's
Yeah,
it's
it
easy,
definitely
but
takes some
yeah,
time.
yeah. It's easy, but yeah, you just practice, you will come to know. If you take small trades, you should understand the volume, sir, especially that, sir. And where the market trader, like where the traders are holding their trades, where the liquidity is building, how the structure is shifting, why these are the important levels, why the market can move here, like what I said, to take the Asia, then the UK will drop. But here Asia it's drop. What I was thinking, okay, Asia, the move of this is done. Maybe UK, US, like what Rashina ma'am she wrote there. Maybe UK, US, we can get the good trade. She was correct. I was expecting the same. So maybe it will grab this liquidity Asia high, then we'll find the short from the UK. But it started going down. Now now UK it will be a sideways for for sure. Then US we have to see how it reacts. If it goes here, then yes, sir.
Okay.
Done, sir. Today I'll show you the gold coat. Okay, it works very nice, sir. That pattern what I said. Done. I got the confirmation.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Yes. We'll meet US session, guys. Okay.
All right, mate.
Yeah, sir.
Thank you, Pramod.
Thank you,
See you
sir.
Thank you,
later.
Pramod.
All right.
Thank you,
Take
Pramod.
care.
Thank
Yeah, sir. Thank you so much.
See you later.
Thank you very much.
Yeah.
See you later.
Thank you,
Thank
Thank
you
you,
Pramod.
very
sir.
much.
Yeah, sir. Bye-bye.
Peace.
Peace,
Peace.
sir. Peace.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.